Coffee portable hand grinder. You can also make coffee at home. Add coffee beans. Select the grinding gear and start with one click. Delicate powder, uniform powder. Close the lid and don't leak powder. With thermos cup and storage bag. Drink freshly ground coffee anytime, anywhere. It can also be used to make juice, smoothie, simple and convenient operation. It can produce pulp by shaking it easily. No need to plug in, saving time and effort. It is also equipped with a filter screen to filter the residue. Make the taste more silky and delicate.